Well, hello and welcome to Commute Greener. In this tutorial, you will learn how to start using the software on the web. Well, first, you will start by logging using your credentials. So here is my login. Here is my password. And then I can choose whether or not I want to be remembered by. If I click on yes, the software will remember my login and password. Let's log in. So the first time you log in on Commute Greener, you will have this screen. This is the baseline wizard. The wizard will help you to define your baseline. The baseline is actually the basic travel pattern for a normal week. So the normal journeys you are doing every day of the week. Okay, so now let's start it. The first step actually is to enter when and how you leave home. So let's call it home. This is my home address. Living in Lyon. And now this is the time I usually leave the office. I will select a transportation mode. I'm using a medium car, so let's add my medium car here. Okay, let's pick middle car. Okay, this is about the average rejection of a middle car, and this is the number of available seats. Okay, let's add it. Now I can also add the number of passengers I have in the morning. Maybe if I go with a colleague, I can add 2 or 3 more people. Okay, let's click on next. As I'm alone, I will confirm my address. Okay, I'm asked now if I want to use a transfer point. A transfer point is a point where I can change transportation mode using a bus or a car if I begin with a bus or a car. But here I will only going straight from my home to my office, and this is the address of my main office. Okay. And this is the time when I'm usually leaving my office in the evening. Let's click on next. Confirm the address. Okay, so here is a summary, an overview of my commuting journeys in the week, and I can choose actually how many days I'm using this journeys. So if I'm working on Saturday, I can click Saturday also. Here is the total amount of CO2 emissions of the week. Okay, so Commute Greener is adding automatically the baseline journeys. I can see them. Okay, and here's the final summary. On this summary, you will have a lot of information. You will also have some interesting information. For instance, the number of zero emission kilometers you are doing, for instance when you walk or you are going by bike, or for instance the number of kilometers you are doing by bus, etc., etc. Here is the number of CO2 you will your vehicle will have in a week, and here are the hearts. If you walk or your bike, of course you will have a good health, and then you will be able to have greener hearts here. Here you will set your target. Setting your target to 20% represents, let's say, 1 journey per week in which you will take your bike or walk. The goal, of course, is to have the better targets. And here is the final summary. You are now ready to use Commute Greener.